Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. Today, AI is a reality, and it's changing the way we live and work. One of the most exciting things about AI is that it can be used to create passive income streams. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best ways to make money online using ChatGPT, which is a powerful language model created by OpenAI. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or just looking for a new way to generate income, ChatGPT has something to offer. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, unique content quickly and easily. ChatGPT can write blog posts, articles, and ebooks, and you can even customize the tone and style of the text to match your brand. Tell the software to write an article about your subject, and give it enough details so you get a unique piece of content. Once ChatGPT has created the content, copy and paste the text in Google Docs, export it as a PDF file, and sell it on Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. You can even have ChatGPT create an entire online course for you, which you can sell on Udemy or Skillshare. I have a full tutorial on how to do that step by step on my channel, so go check it out. I will leave the link below this video. ChatGPT can create social media captions, hashtags, and posts, saving you time and increasing your reach, leading to more engagement and revenue. You can manage the social media accounts of other businesses or create your own social media account and monetize it through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. FlexJobs and Glassdoor are good websites to offer your service as a social media manager. ChatGPT can also create chatbots for customer support or lead generation. A chatbot answers frequently asked questions or collects contact information from potential customers. You can charge a monthly subscription fee for the service or even use it as a lead generation tool for your own business, or apply for a job as a chatbot engineer on Dice or Well Found. If you need a website for your business or service, then ChatGPT will do it for you from scratch. Tell the program to create the HTML code for a website and put in as much details as possible. The software will start working, and when done, it will give you the complete HTML code to insert into your web editing program where you can fine-tune it. You can offer your web design service on Fiverr and earn hundreds of dollars for creating websites for clients in any niche. ChatGPT can also translate large volumes of text from one language to another. Put the text that you want to translate into the software, and it will come out in the selected language. You can apply for a job as a translator at Gengo. Gengo makes it easy to claim work, translate, and get paid for your time. Many digital nomads are doing this kind of work while being on the road, traveling, and exploring the world. ChatGPT can create a virtual assistant to handle a wide range of tasks such as scheduling appointments, sending emails, and even making phone calls. Upwork is a great place to offer your service as a virtual assistant. There's a lot of demand for people who are great at organizing and planning, so you will soon find a job there. ChatGPT can create an automated customer service system to assist people who need answers to recurring straightforward questions, status updates, or help to find a specific resource. If you are a technical engineer or programmer, you can fine-tune the software and sell the program as a package to companies and online businesses. People nowadays are looking for shortcut methods to learn ideas in less time, and ChatGPT can summarize and abstract long-form content like articles, research papers, and technical books. Researchers, students, and professionals who quickly need to understand the main points of a complicated report will gladly use your service on Upwork or Fiverr. ChatGPT is also able to generate scripts for podcast episodes. Many businesses want to reach more customers and get more sales, and a podcast can help them achieve this. All you've got to do is contact and convince a client to hire you to make the podcast for them. You can ask ChatGPT to write the podcast script, and then copy and paste the text into Podcastle and turn the text into a podcast. There's a choice of different voices and background music to pick from. Podcastle will enhance the audio file to make it sound professional, and then you can upload the podcast episode to Anchor. Anchor is a free podcast platform through which you can create, host, distribute, and monetize podcasts. Anchor is owned by Spotify and has a browser and mobile application. But you'll probably want to also make your podcasts available on other platforms, like Apple Podcasts, Google Play Music, Overcast, Pocket Casts, Spotify, and more. ChatGPT is also able to annotate data sets like images and videos for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. Data annotation is the process of labeling data with relevant tags to make it easier for computers to understand and interpret. ChatGPT can also be used to generate automated emails, such as follow-up emails, marketing emails, and even personalized emails. You can sell your email marketing service online to help businesses save time and improve customer engagement. ChatGPT can generate resumes and cover letters to save job seekers time and increase their chances of getting hired. Indeed is a great website to offer your skills as a freelance resume writer. Writing a quality resume takes time, especially with so many people on the job hunt today. Most resume writers require a week or longer to write your resume, so if you can do it in one day, you will have an advantage over them. ChatGPT can also generate scripts for YouTube, video games, and comic books, saving writers and content creators a lot of time. Upwork has many available jobs for skilled script writers who are looking for work. Use the ChatGPT software to write the outline of the script first, and then move on from there. The more details you feed the algorithm, the better the result will be and the faster your script will be done. You can also turn your text into video content with Pictory. Pictory uses artificial intelligence to convert your text into engaging, digestible videos. It automatically creates a script and adds visuals to it by choosing from a library of over 6 million licensed stock images and video clips. It's also possible to upload your own images or videos if you don't like the stock images. All the videos have background music and if you wish, you can add a voiceover to your video. There's a selection of natural voices to pick from, or you can record your own voice and use that. With Pictory, you can quickly create ads and promo videos for clients and sell them on Fiverr for good money. If you use my link and special code to sign up for a Pictory account, you will get a 20% lifelong discount. I will leave the link and promo details below this video. ChatGPT can work as a virtual writing partner for copywriters and authors, providing suggestions, prompts, and feedback on their writing. When you write a script or a screenplay by yourself, you have full creative control. But working with a writing partner offers more opportunities that can make your project even better. Scripted and hire writers are good places to apply for a writing job. ChatGPT is also great for generating SEO-optimized content like meta descriptions, titles, and tags to help websites and blogs rank higher in search engine results. Glassdoor has a lot of job postings for quality SEO content writers, so you can make a lot of money by providing this service. ChatGPT can also generate ad copy for Google AdWords and Facebook and Instagram ads. Millions of people perform searches every day and prices for high-placed ads are expensive. As an advertising copywriter, you can make a ton of money writing these money-generating ads for clients and businesses. Fiverr is a great place to sell your copywriting service, and if you are really good, you can charge up to $1,000 for a gig. ChatGPT can personalize welcome emails, confirmation emails, and follow-up emails, using information from a customer's profile. If you have a website for your business, you can use the software to help improve customer engagement and increase your sales. ChatGPT can generate educational content like quizzes, flashcards, and interactive tutorials, saving educators and teachers time and improving the quality of their educational material. You can even use ChatGPT to fine-tune the language model of a neural network to a specific domain, such as legal, medical or financial, and offer it as a service for businesses in that specific domain. These are just a few examples of how you can use ChatGPT to create passive income streams. The key is to think creatively and identify areas where AI can automate tasks or improve efficiency. Artificial intelligence has the potential to automate many tasks, and ChatGPT is one of the most powerful language model available today, so the possibilities are endless. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas on how to use this amazing technology to your advantage. If you have any questions or want to learn more about ChatGPT, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos on how to make money online. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.